Got an MRG file from your CRM workflow and need to send personalized correspondence? This template format powers Mail, Merge, and Act contact management. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use Act. Mail Merge Templates. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents, even when the MRG format fails. More on this later. Users encounter .mrg files when using the Act CRM software to create mail merge templates. These files define the layout and data fields for generating personalized letters, emails, or faxes. The primary user intent is to create, edit, or use these templates to mass communicate with contacts stored in their Act database. The .mrg file is a proprietary format, likely a binary or XML-based structure, containing document formatting, static text, and placeholders for dynamic data from the Act database. This design efficiently separates the document's visual layout from the underlying contact data, allowing for reusable and easily updated communication templates. The reliable first choice for the MRG file type is Act, CRM developed by Act LLC. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows can render a preview, but full functionality, like styling or layout, requires a document editor. Open the menu by right-clicking your MRG file and choosing Open With. Try Act, CRM first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If you are still having trouble opening the MRG file, do not worry. Failure to open this MRG file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, opening an Act. Open the MRG file through Act's Mail Merge wizard accessible from the right menu. The application loads the template with merge field codes and prompts for the contact selection criteria. Generate personalized output documents based on the template and selected contacts from your database. Next, editing templates. Edit MRG templates within Act. Using the integrated template editor or by opening in Microsoft Word with Act integration installed. Modify document content, adjust merge field placements, and update formatting, then save back to MRG format for ongoing use in mail merge campaigns. Finally, generating correspondence. Run mail merges using MRG templates through Act's right menu. Selecting the template and target contacts. Output options include printing, emailing, or saving documents for each contact in the merge. Track generated correspondence within Act contact histories for complete customer communication records. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.